Hi, my name is Joan Ruane, and I teach cotton spinning around the country. And I have noticed as I travel, many people have a problem with their Indian charkha. And this is a little Indian book charkha, and as you can see, it looks like a book. And you have the rounded edge towards you, and I place it on a non-skid surface using here that little shelf paper. That will help to hold it in place. Now the first thing you're going to do is rounded edge towards you, you're going to unlock it and open it up. Sometimes it likes, and lay it out with the wheel on the right side. First thing you must do is to take out all the parts. Here's the handle, and here's a little knob that goes onto the handle. The next thing we need to do is to do a little maintenance work. So we're going to clean off the shafts that the wheels go on, and you will notice that there is quite a bit of soil comes off, a little grease. And this has just been used yesterday, so you can see it needs to be cleaned each time. Then I put a little bit of Vaseline oil on. I'm using my little contact eye case to carry it with me, the Vaseline. And it fits in my little case easier. Now we're ready to put the wheels on. The first wheel, this is the major wheel, and I use a sort of a rubber band here that you can purchase for them, because when they do come, they come with a cloth heavy cord, and if you can order these belts. And next I'm going to connect it to, this is the major belt, I'm going to connect it to the small world here. This is on the second one, and this makes an auxiliary wheel, and I'm going to bring it forward and put it onto the other shaft. Then I need to put the handle on. This is the short end here, and with the catch under the screw. Then this one here is going to lock in, and I'm going to put the knob on the handle. There we go. And give it a turn, and it moves very freely. If you find it's still not real freely moving, you can put a little more oil here, but this works fine. The next step, we're going over to the left side. And the first thing I need to do is put the kickstand, the stand up that's going to hold our spindles. And there's a little kickstand. That is right here. It's a little metal thing that comes down, and it holds the stand up in the air so it doesn't fall down. And that way it gives me time to go in and to get a spindle. So I will pull the spindle out. You notice that there was a little hole it went into. Now I'm going to pull it out, bring it over, and I'm ready to hook up the other belt. The other belt that I use is actually just a string. And I use sewing thread, and I double it over, and so it's nice and fine but good and strong. And then I'm going to put on my auxiliary wheel, and when I bring it forward, if I want it to go clockwise, the back thread will come forward. If I want it to go counterclockwise, I will have the front thread go backwards. So since I want it to go clockwise, I'm just simply going to turn it this way. And I'm going to catch the belt into the whirl there. I'm going to bring this forward and pop it in. And notice it doesn't go underneath that string. It goes on top of it, on top of that cord. This slides. I'm going to pick up the little kickstand, so that the holder is all by itself, and it can spring back and forth. That should stand up straighter, so that means I loosen up this wing nut and slide the stand forward and tighten it up. There we go. I'm going to move it back to where I had it before, and it is all ready. And as you can see, when I turn, my spindle is going to move clockwise. That is step 1, opening it, and then later I will show you step 2 on how to spin on it.